Now, if there's one thing that's super important to have in every car but people often neglect, it's dashcam. Why? Imagine this. Touch wood, you had an accident and it's not your fault. But you can't justify why you're not wrong, and the other party may give excuses saying it's not their fault. You don't have any proof, no evidence, and it's a mess, right? But let's say if you have a dashcam installed, you can save your voice, you can save your saliva. Why? Because all the proof and evidence is already in the dashcam alone, and the other party can't give any more excuses. How good is that, right? And that's right, as the video of this title suggests, today we'll be reviewing this product right here. So this is called the DDPAI N5 Dual Dashcam. I'm going to show you how good is it, the features and everything about this dashcam, and why this dashcam is possibly one of the best dashcams out there for its price. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay guys, so this is the packaging for the DDPAI N5 Dual. You can see it looks quite good. It also tells you all the features they have here. You can see it has everything stated right here. There's so many features, alright? Okay, so let's just open it up. Just slide this open. Get another box which says DDPAI. Very nice. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Once you open up, you can see you have this right here. So this one I will assume is the user guide, and also you have all the plastic film and also the sticker. Okay, now this is where you get to see this is the camera. So this is the main camera, the DDPAI camera. You can see the design and the shape is actually very compact. It's unlike other cameras out there which is very huge with a screen. This one you don't have a screen, but you can connect to your phone, which I'll show more later. Then you got the back camera as well, because this one is the N5 Dual. Dual comes with both the front and the back, alright? And then you also have all the cablings, alright? And not only that, they actually come with this. So you have a smaller box. It's so cute. So this is the DDPAI box. If I open it up, this one I'll assume it's the radar sensor, because this one has an external radar sensor that's attached to the device itself. Alright guys, so I've already installed the DDPAI N5 Dual on my personal car, and I've been driving for over a week now, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm going to give you guys 8 different points as to why this dashcam is superior to other dashcams in the market. Let's go. Now, the most important thing of a dashcam is that it needs to be clear, sharp and high resolution, right? And that leads us to point number 1, which is image quality. For the DDPAI N5 Dual, you don't have to worry, it's super clear. The front camera uses a 4K Ultra HD with ultra wide viewing. Just take a look at the footage here. It's super clear, and that is thanks to its Real Cube image technology that captures every detail with superb image quality, while the back is recorded in full HD. Now, if you want to film at night, don't worry, it's also quite clear because it has this night vis technology. Now, this device uses an 8-megapixel Galaxy Core 8613 sensor to ensure you get the best image quality possible for both day and night. Moving on to point number 2, this device has AI motion detection and radar parking mode. It sounds super fancy, right? What is it? Let me explain. For example, when your car is parked or stationary, the dashcam will still continue recording, especially when someone accidentally hits you or someone were to do something to your car. It basically detects the motion and it starts recording. How it records is that it records 10 seconds prior to the incident and 10 seconds after the incident. And if you're wondering whether this will drain the car's battery or not, the answer is no, because this device is super smart. It has a battery-friendly monitoring that only records when it's necessary. Alright, point number 3, after you're done recording, just like any devices, you'll be stored inside the memory card, right? And the memory card always has the tendency of getting corrupted. And once it's corrupted, you can't retrieve the file. That sucks, right? But for this, it's very smart. You don't worry, because this one has a dual memory storage system, whereby if let's say the first one were to get corrupted, it has a backup internal storage area for emergency. So let's say if this one is corrupted, you still can retrieve the file and watch back the video footage because it's stored separately. Alright, point number 4, it has a supercapacitor. Alright, if you don't understand what it means, it's basically, you know, our Malaysian sun, right? The weather is so hot, and you know our dashcam is constantly running every time. The combination of these two, the dashcam normally will tend to become overheat, and once it overheat, it starts to lag, it starts to hang, which is something you don't want, right? But because it has this supercapacitor, it's able to withstand temperature from -20°C, which is unlikely here in Malaysia, all the way to 60°C. So Malaysia weather is if the hottest is around 40 degrees Celsius, so you don't have to worry, you can use it smoothly without any issue. Point number 5 is mobile app connectivity, which basically means that you can use your phone, you download the DDPAI app, and you can retrieve all the files, the videos, the photos you've taken using the dashcam immediately into your phone. You can download it because it has a 5G connectivity, which ensures you have fast transfer, so immediately you can get the files into your phone, which is very, very nice. Point number 6, this dashcam has a built-in GPS. So let's say, touch wood again, if you were to had an accident, alright, normally what they would do, right, is you would check where is this place, okay, where's the accident, you take picture and everything. But sometimes, you know, when you had an accident, you're panicking, right, then you just forget to do all these things, right? Don't worry, because the device itself, right, whenever you had an accident, it actually has a GPS which locates at that time and where is that place. So let's say if you go to a police station to make a police report, you can just show them the footage and so they can see the location. Problem solved. Point number 7 would be ADAS and smart voice control. So ADAS feature, how it works, right, is let's say if you're sitting in a traffic and then let's say you're playing your phone, which you're not supposed to, and then the car in front starts to go forward after the light turns green, but you didn't realize. What happens is the device actually detects and it tells you that the vehicle ahead is moving forward.
The vehicle ahead has started.
Okay, the car in front is moving already, so you are supposed to go forward as well. And then there's this smart voice control, which is very interesting. So let's say when you're driving and then you see a very nice car in front, especially for car enthusiasts like us, right, we normally take our phone out and snap a picture, right? But that's very dangerous because it's not advisable to take your phone out and play when you're driving. So what you can do is basically you can just say take photo device itself, and it basically just snaps a photo, and if you think it's not clear, it's actually very clear because it's taken with 4K HD. So the photo you can expect to be very clear. Alright, last but not least, I saved this to the last, that is point number 8 would be the price. So despite this device having so many features, so many technology, right, the cost of this is only 449 ringgit. If you compare it to other brands out there, yes, sure, they may be branded as cheaper, but it doesn't have that much feature and it's not that reliable. This one is basically has everything inside that you need. And good news, if you're watching this video, this September 999, DDPAI will be giving away free gifts. Like for example, you get a free Venzo perfume worth 39 ringgit and 90 cents if you buy over 550 bucks. And not only that, there will be discounts of up to 25% on the DDPAI N5 Dual, which I'm currently using right now. Remember, it's only for one day, so save the date, 9/9. So if you're looking to buy a dashcam, now's the chance for you to buy. So if you guys are interested, do head over to their Shopee or Lazada to buy them, whichever you prefer. And yeah, remember guys, it's better late than sorry. If you guys haven't gotten a dashcam, please do get one because it's going to be a lifesaver for you, because we won't know when these kind of things may happen. It's unpredictable, but when it do happen, right, you'll be grateful that you have a dashcam. Alright, on that note, I think that's about it for my review of the DDPAI N5 Dual, and I shall catch you guys next time. Ciao!